Good morning everybody, myself Vishvendra. I am the founder of Optimal Success Trajectory. Today we shall discuss about the physics and mathematics of relative velocity. So the first thing is, what is velocity? How you know that something is moving? Got an answer? You know something is moving if you feel that there is a change in position of that object. So whatever we say, there is a reference for that. We say something because of the image present in our mind, image or videos present in our mind. So there is a term used in physics called as with respect to. So with respect to means the frame, the person who is observing the events of universe, the video created in his mind. So it's the meaning of with respect to. Suppose there is a road, on the road there is a tree, and there is a car moving to the right with a velocity v. There is a person A sitting in the car and there is a person B standing on the road. Both are observing the tree. So with respect to the person on the road, light is entering into his mind and a video is created in his mind. And in his video, he will observe, he will see that tree is at rest. So if you ask him, is the tree at rest or motion? He will say it is at rest, because he say that on the basis of the video in his mind. Now let's take the example of A. So A will say something because of video in his mind. So A will observe the tree to be moving in a backward direction with a velocity v. As you might have seen, if you are sitting in a car, it is moving forward. Then if you look back on the tree present on the ground, it will be observed to be moving backward. So with respect to the image in the mind of A, he will observe tree to be moving to the left with velocity v. So this is how physics works for relative velocity. So another thing is, with respect to A means the video present in the mind of A, and with respect to B means the video present in the mind of B. This is the root cause of every problem. People don't know the truth. They believe that the video present in their mind is the truth, but it may be fake. Whatever you see, whatever information is given to your mind, that depends on the circumstances. Suppose you are observing the color of my shirt, it's yellowish in nature. It is because light is falling on my shirt, it is being reflected, it is entering into your eyes, and your mind is creating an image. But if you see the same shirt in some different color, let's say red color, it will appear black, because my shirt is not reflecting red color, so no color will reach to your eyes, so it will seem to be completely black. So whatever you considered as truth, as color of my shirt, it's just an illusion of your mind, which is the root cause of every problem. So let's constrain my restrictions to mathematics. It's better to don't cross the domains and enter into philosophy. Let's look back into mathematics. So suppose the point A has a velocity vector VA, the point B has a velocity vector VB. So the mathematical definition of velocity of B with respect to A is vector VB minus vector VA, where VB is velocity of B with respect to A, VB is velocity of B with respect to ground, and VA is velocity of A with respect to ground. That means if you need to find the velocity of any point with respect to any other point, just subtract the velocities and subtract velocity, make the term negative from the observer who is observing, that term will be subtracted. For example, here A is the observer, with respect to A means video in mind of A, so A is the observer. So whoever is the observer, just subtract his velocity. This is the simple trick to solve your questions. So you might have seen that mathematics may be difficult, maybe non-interesting, or maybe not of that origin which gives you a feeling, but physics is always enjoyable. It's about the nature around you, it's about observations. Mathematics is a language, so it may not be interesting, it may not be that much effective to you, but physics is always enjoyable. So make sure that you can manage to create interest in physics, because it's really interesting. It's very easy to think, it's very easy to be open-minded. You just need to get access to that dimension of thinking, and then you can systematically learn the languages. So whatever you feel difficult in physics, it's because of the language, because language doesn't have a feeling, it's just a collection of words and data. But make sure that you learn physics. Language you can learn by practice, by simple experiments, by systematic working, but make sure that you have the access to the dimension of thinking. So I hope it works for you. Thank you and have a nice day.